students. Today we discuss about 12th standard zoology. DNA is a genetic material. DNA is a genetic material. So many biologists, there was the earlier experiment of Frederick Griffith experiments. Then, so they believed that the protein is not a DNA was hereditary material in the cell. So the protein and the DNA is not a hereditary material in the cell. But eukaryotic chromosomes, so the eukaryotic cell, so they contain the chromosomes. The chromosomes consist of roughly, so they have an equal amount of protein and DNA molecules. So the eukaryotic chromosomes is contain equal amount of, so the protein as well as the DNA molecule. It was said that only the protein had a sufficient chemical diversity or complexity to encode the information required for the genetic material. So early stages, so only the protein molecule is required for the transfer the information from the one generation to the next generation. So the protein molecule is a genetic material. Later, in year 1952, so 1952, Horsey and Chase, so they conduct the experiment. They finally proved that DNA is a genetic material. Finally, proved that DNA is a genetic material. So the two persons, they conduct the experiment in, so page T2, bacteria page. T2, so the bacteria page, it is a virus. What is the structure of the virus? So the viruses consist of only the two parts. So viruses consist of, so only the two parts. One is called nucleic acids, either DNA or RNA. So the nucleic acid is surrounded by the protein coat. It is called a capsid. So the viruses are made up of only the two parts. One is called DNA, is a nucleic acid, or RNA, not in both. But the nucleic acid surrounded by the protein coat. Here, the two important minerals are present, both the protein as well as the DNA. So the protein is a contain sulfur. So the protein contain sulfur. But DNA is a contain a phosphorus or phosphate. So they have a is a phosphate. Here the two scientists, so used in this two minerals by the isotope form. They have a so isotope form. So they contain the P32 isotope, S35 isotopes. The sulfur are present in the protein molecule. So DNA phosphate, they contain the phosphorus 32. So the T2 bacteria page to affect the E. coli bacteria. E. coli, so the bacteria. Here, so the T2 bacteria page, they are having a tetrahedral shape. Here they have a double strand DNAs are present. Here the end part to attach the E. coli bacteria. Now, so they have a S35 isotopes are present in the T4 bacteria page. So the sulfur isotopes are present only in the protein part. During the sexual reproduction or conjugation, so they have a small pores are made in the bacteria. So the DNA molecule enter into the bacteria, the E. coli bacteria. So inside the E. coli bacteria, so the DNA molecule, they produce the page component is a head part, and they have a middle part, and they produce a tail part. They produce a numerous bacteria page component, and also they produce a DNA molecule. So they become the multiply. So they multiply. Then, so they become the assembly. So the assembly means all the parts head. So they combine with the core, and they have a tail region, terminal region. They have a DNA molecule. So the numerous T4 bacteria page are present inside the E. coli bacteria. So finally, so they have the E. coli bacteria has become the burst. They release the T2 bacteria page. But here, the young one, so they after the replication, so the bacteria page do not have any isotopes, the sulfur isotopes. This is one concept. So another concept here, by using the P32, phosphate 32. So the phosphate, so they occur inside the DNA molecule. At the time of multiplication, the same way they produce a pore. So the DNA molecule enter into the bacterial cells. They become the synthesize the page material. It means head, tail, and the middle page, and the replication of DNA molecules occur. Then finally, so the assembly means the component of a T2 bacteria page, head, DNA molecule, then core, and the terminal region joined it. They produce numerous T2 bacteria page. After maturation, so the E. coli bacteria, they release the T2 bacteria, numerous T2 bacteria page. So all the pages contain the phosphorus isotopes. All the page they contain the phosphorus isotopes. So the phosphorus are present inside the DNA molecule. So the DNA molecules are transformed from one generation to the next generation. So they have proved that DNA is a genetic material. So DNA is transformed from the one generation to the next generation. But in the Friedrich experiment, so the DNAs are used for the transformation. But here by using the isotopes prove that so the DNA is involved in the genetic information from parents to offspring. But in RNA virus, so the RNA virus, RNA is a genetic material. RNA is a genetic material. So they involved in the transformation. So they have the transformation. Hersey and Chase, so they conclusively proved that is a DNA is a genetic material, not in the protein. So the DNA is carry the hereditary information from the virus to bacteria. From the virus to the bacteria. The same way all the living organism. So they have in a DNA is a genetic material. DNA is a genetic material. Sometimes they have in a, so the genes arranged in a linear order in the chromosomes. So genes are occupied in a particular place. It is called a locus. It is called a locus. The genes may be exist as several alternate form. A several alternate form. It is called alleles. Several alternate form is called the alleles. So the different form of a gene, it means the capital T and the small t is alternate form. The gene may be undergo the sudden changes. So they involving the mutation. Sudden changes involving the mutation. Not only change the position and also the composition of the DNA molecule or composition of the gene. It is called a mutation. So genes are capable of self-duplication. So they produce in the own copy. They produce the own copy. So number of genes each organisms is greater than the number of the chromosomes. So they have a chromosome. They have several genes are located in the same chromosomes. A number of genes are located in the same chromosomes. So these are the character of the DNA. So the DNA plays the vital role for transforming the character from the parents to offspring. So they have an experiment. Thank you very much, students.